Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's another day. Let's check out the market is and what should offer to us. So basically, something scenarios from the past trading live streams. I'm looking for higher time frames. That's week, daily, 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, and also in 1 minute. This I take for my entry, weekly, daily, 4 hour. These are all for my bias and context. Beautiful. So for every of my trades, I basically depend on to some key foundational. And these are like foundations. These are foundational key levels for me to take an entry. First is bias, that's direction, and target. Second is same narrative, the story, how we're gonna hit our target. Followed by context. Context is my entry area. And not lastly, but it's entry. I usually use sharp turns. These are reversal entries. Lastly, my risk management. Always 1 to 2. Risk to reward ratio. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful there. So these are my key foundational levels to which I frame my trades on. Let's dive and see how the market delivers. I'll leave that there. Looking these to go lower. Here. Just want to see that line, which I don't see it. Anyways, that's okay. So I shall start on a weekly, as you can see. Basically, I use two concepts, almost like, yeah, two concepts, liquidity and gaps. It doesn't matter if it's a favorable gap. It doesn't matter if it's an overlapping gap. It doesn't matter if it's a mitigated gap. I use gaps. So I can see an imbalance right here, which actually price tapped onto. Means that this reaction means we are going higher, but we are going higher for what? Price does two things: either seek liquidity or it does feel an imbalance. So right now we have felt an imbalance and we're going to seek this liquidity here. Like liquidities are swing highs. Thereafter we might seek this liquidity right here. So these are the major liquidities. I want them to go lower. Which is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful once again. So past weekly bullish, no compromise. Tapped, we're looking to seek these higher liquidities. Though we did a little for meander like here, seeing a bearish candle, but the next candle just as an expansion candle. Right now you can see it's kind of retracing due to taking some liquidity over here, but the overall we are bullish. Else we might go lower to fill this imbalance right here, which is kind of good and it may take months on that. Next, we are going for a daily chart. So as we frame to be bullish on the weekly chart, let's see what day is the reverse. We can see an imbalance like here, which has not been yet mitigated. That's a daily imbalance. Wow, this is kind of beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you can see this candle left an imbalance like here, which has not yet been mitigated. Same thing. This might be a breakaway gap due to this expansion candle like here, but we might retrace back and tap like here. We might retrace back from this candle, next candle, fill an imbalance and seek liquidity from here to mitigate this level gap by here. Same, we might look to go lower somehow and our final destination like here or this liquidity point like there. So that's kind of what the chart shows me. But right now we are facing a retracement due to taking liquidity from here. We have swept liquidity. So the sell orders are being pushing the price lower. That's kind of beautiful. So right now we are bullish, or this day we are bullish on the same day. So as you can see that our weekly chart shows, our daily weekly chart shows bullishness. That means it aligns with our daily chart, which shows bullishness. That's kind of beautiful because this is kind of a relativity theory. So hands up. So what's our next step? Our next step is, after finding the direction and our target, as we said, on our weekly chart, our target is this one. But on our daily chart, our target is like here. So bars, good. Target, good. Next, we need to frame our narrative. How are we going to hit that target? We need somehow some higher push, like let's say an imbalance like here, push to hit this, but we want to wait for this imbalance to come and push higher. So we need to go to our lower time frames to find those imbalances, which price might not only imbalances like our PD rallies, which price might retrace back and go and hit these our targets. So that's kind of beautiful. Let's go on 4-hour time frame. I want this to be seen from hours to minutes. That's it. What does it show us right now? Right here. So basically, as we can see, we have a big breakaway gap to which price retraced back onto after taking liquidity from this point like here, took liquidity like here, then pushed lower on this imbalance like here, then market pushed higher. The beautiful thing of this market pushing higher is we saw another imbalance like here, which price just retraced back and pushed much to seek liquidity. As I told you, price does two things: either fill an imbalance or seek liquidity. That's it. As we can see from this 4-hour candle, there is a big rejection. Means there are a lot of imbalances right here which push the price higher. So that's kind of beautiful on our side. That means also our 4-hour supports our relativity theory that we are onto the same context within the weekly chart, within the daily chart, but same for the 4-hour chart. To me, that's beautiful. So bullish for, let's push onto the 1-hour chart. Just forgot to hit something here. And this to be seen only on hours or minutes. Let's go to our 4-hour chart. Whoa. Wow. Also, that is a good sign of going bullish because I'll show you. You can see there is an imbalance like there, right? So price pushed higher from this imbalance like here, or it tapped onto this overlapping area of these PDLAs, then moved higher, created a fair gap, which is kind of beautiful so much. There is a beautiful rejection of filling in bars. Then from here, price tapped and pushed higher. Where are we aiming at? Right now, we are aiming for this minor target. So if I take entry on lower time frames, this will be my target before going to this target. So kind of for 1 hour gives us like a sign to go bullish. So the relativity theory applies on all time frames, on all time frames actually. So this is a beautiful top right here. We are looking to go higher. There's no reason to go lower because you can see this candle tells a story. Then I might push on to what time frames? The 15-minute. Now there's something interesting here in the 15 minutes. There is something interesting. We can see that we have an imbalance in or parallel gap in, but also we have an imbalance out. This is a sign of reversal. As you can see, after tapping this, we build an imbalance. We build an expansion candle left and a parallel gap right here or an imbalance. So this tells that we are into reversal. The price course might reach this area here. So if I were to enter on 15 minutes, my entry would have been here and target this high or there, but missed that. Let's go on to lower time frame. Also, that's a 5 minute. Hope you understand what I'm doing actually, because I'm framing everything. Everything depends on this bias, building a narrative, how we're gonna hit that target, then context, this entry area, sharp turns, and risk management. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. We can see on our 5 minute, we have this imbalance line here, to which it looks like a breakaway gap. Why? Because of this candle right here, long wick low, which isn't a good sign for bearishness or for price to retrace here. Price might retrace here after taking liquidity, but kind of not ideal. Like the price is going very aggressive onto this swing high right there. So same on the 5 minute, we haven't found anything that might price might come back and try to expand higher. This is kind of weird. If I go on take my entry on 1 minute and try to take my entry from here without having a higher PDLA or a higher this imbalance. So yeah, if I were to enter, I were to enter right here and target this swing high right there. But let's see if it leaves a parallel gap. Trust me, I'll enter from there. No compromise. Because I've already missed entries right here. This is a sharp chart. This is where I take my entries, and they're obvious. If it leaves a parallel gap, I take my entry. This is a low risk trade, so I'll be very conscious. Just looking for a parallel gap or an imbalance. then my TP will be right here from that swing point. Let's check out. Price might try to reverse right here in these imbalances. This imbalance might push price lower. If there is any imbalance right here, then that will be a retracement point, then the price will push higher to this point right here. Let's see how the price plays out. An imbalance right here. This kind of not idle. Yep. Sorry. Price is pushing us what we anticipated. Kind of beautiful. Yes. So what do I want right now to see? I want to see the following. There's a swing low something up here, to which yes, we can see this level gap or an imbalance here shows a rejection, to which price might retrace onto this swing low line here, then pushes higher. I guess my entry will be around here. If it doesn't push below this, there will be an imbalance right here. Price will go aggressive onto this PDIL, PDRA like there. Yeah, you can see this has shown a retracement. But where price seeks liquidity, price fails imbalances. Let's see. Yes, that is what we wanted. But we took this liquidity, we filled this breakaway gap. We are going for this another breakaway gap right here, so which is an obvious entry. Which this is an obvious entry, but I won't take it. It's not good for me. If I were to enter, I would have entered right here, no, right here, 1, 2. But nah, I missed that. So this was kind of risky, so risky to me, like high risky to me. I'll wait and see. The beauty is like this push didn't create another imbalance. That's the beautiful thing about the price action. So I want to see an imbalance going higher, so there I will frame my entry. But else I will wait. Patience is key. So I will wait for my entry to frame out. So I don't want to see this price action. I don't like what it's doing, but I don't want to see it leaving an imbalance right here because that sounds like a reversal, and I don't think this further this imbalance like here or further gap like here is quite strong to push the market lower to this imbalance like there. I don't want to see an imbalance low, so I want this candle to close this. Come on. I love to see this candle closing this imbalance right here because as we saw, like there's an imbalance right here, which price has respected to go lower from. So if this is okay, we can say it has left an imbalance right here. As this imbalance right here will act as a resistance and push price lower to this liquidity point right here and fill this breakaway gap. And close to top, top. If I were to enter, like I'll put like here and here. That's almost 1 to 2, which is quite a good, but why taking this trade and bullish? This is quite a lot. This is what I can say gambling and something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I would have taken this trade, but this doesn't align with my context or the relativity theory. So I won't take that. But yeah, let's see how it plays out. Price already tapped here. Let's see how this candle closes. Work on a 5-minute time frame. So that the price needs to come here because we've already taken some liquidity right here and right here. So price might push people from here, and from here I'll take an entry. That possibly would be a great entry inside. Let's check the 15-minute. Possibly here the thing. I won't take trade from this because there is another strong magnet below it, which is the 15. So price might ignore this and come onto this. So yeah, I trust this 15-minute level gap or imbalance here. So price might reach this all the way this. It's not very sufficient to take an entry from this weak magnet, else below it if there is a very strong magnet, to which this is obvious. We will take an entry from here. On our chart, this rejection did good, but this this candle is rating us down actually. This should be an expansion all the way up here, but it looks like an indecision candle or consolidation candle, which might come low to this price here. That's okay because we took liquidity line here. That's okay actually because we took liquidity line here. We have already set the liquidity line here, so price reversals or just retracing both ways. As I'm still bullish, I'll wait for my bullish signs. Wow, still quite strong bullishness. So yeah, 1 hour, this level gap here, which price higher. If this level gap didn't hold and this price just tapped the here, price might sit this low liquidity. Let's see how it plays out. Up, and you can see price just kept close here. And this was around I just mentioned. Yeah, but this was a very low risk trade. Useless, 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 useless. You see, this is what I wanted to see actually. Yeah, like you're saying here, waiting for price to wait a bullish bounce. So right now I'm waiting for the next candle being created, and it has started being created actually. You see it right here popping, and this didn't hold much, just put the price low, and that's obvious. Not now it's useless, but also this price to hold the price to go low, which this will create an imbalance. An imbalance might be like, oh, wow, there's an imbalance here. But this might not be released. Depends on how this kind of process. I might take an entry around these highs or these lows, and then the lows will be like here, looking for one. I guess, yeah, I'm taking this in as my order buy. I just bought like here, and stop loss will be like here. Take profit 1 to 2. And stop loss 2, 3. there. Take profit. See right there. See how price does. This is just trying. Sorry, just trying to hide my entry. This entry right here. So basically, yeah, right there. That's a lot. I just need one, two. Yeah, just need that. And we're good to go. Let's see how price plays out. The only thing I don't want to see is creating a new imbalance like here. That might be risk on my side. I don't see a new imbalance. But this fair gap push price lower, then price pushed higher. Put this level gap right here, price pushed lower, created an imbalance to which it up and pushed higher right here. You see price coming back to this imbalance. Which this imbalance is kind of useless right now. It's already seek liquidity. That means price might seek liquidity right here, right now. So this is an obvious point. Like if price take this and push higher, that's beautiful. Uh, but if it doesn't, then you're seeking this liquidity right here. That's bad. It's creating that imbalance. Hope this next candle closes and just close this imbalance right here. Do not leave an imbalance like there. Price tries to go low and take me out, but there'll be a reversal right here. Sharp turn. Else I should go high. Just leave an imbalance like there. That's kind of not a good sign. Price must start this imbalance right here. We push price lower with this liquidity right here. Eventually to reach onto this 15-minute fair value gap. That's 5 minute level gap, which that's not what we want to see. But that's how the chart prints out. Yeah, this is not a good sign. This is a reversal sign because we see an imbalance right here, it's an imbalance right here, which this is a sharp turn going low. And we are, yeah, we are out, I guess. This leaves an imbalance right there. This imbalance will push the market to this 5 minute level gap. As I already see liquidity here, it might show rejection, yes, and then push into this imbalance. This imbalance might show a sharp turn. Probably the price might reach here. As if it doesn't show, price might sit this level gap right there, level gap right here, and eventually we stop out the next time, I guess. Or you are asked to confirm. This liquidity tries to hold, but it won't hold much. If price comes and taps like here, then price will push lower. It's already tapped. Did not close above that. Yes, that's great. Just shown a rejection. Price eventually needs to go low because we already paid this bounce here. We might seek liquidity like here. This liquidity has already been drawn upon. This imbalance like here should be strong, like so. Yeah, it doesn't. If price action closes above that, that's a good sign to us that we are reversing. This kind of users right now. That's bad because this candle should have closed the push no low. But let's wait and see this candle right here. We're waiting for orders. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Why is price praying around this mitigated gap? There's something that is still being told right here. If price this mitigated gap should or price should go low. Would have gone low very fast and stop playing out. But price tends to play around here. Let's see how it plays out. I think there are orders being built, and there are orders building now. Now price is seeking liquidity right here. This might push price low. If price comes right here, because right now this has been mitigated, it's kind of no use if you're going low. There are orders being piled right here. Let's wait and see how this plays out. But price is seeking liquidity right here. Also, this has been mitigated, so it's kind of no use. I will mark it as bullish. If price creates a bullish imbalance, let me accept. Else, nah, we are not. Price is literally being attracted onto this level, into this 5 minute level gap, but also we're attracted into this 3 minute level gap. Let's see how it plays out. If price creates high imbalance, then and that imbalance holds the price, then we are at the safe side. Thus, not yet. Take that liquidity. Come on. Yeah, we have take the liquidity. This price might reseparate, might push price more low. If it doesn't, then we might aim for this liquidity right here. Let's wait for this candle to close, and we shall know. This candle here should leave an imbalance to which price might trade onto and then push higher for this liquidity. This liquidity has already been taken out. We can see an imbalance right there, which price has pushed down to it, and this should hold price to go high. Else, it downs right there. Would not close below this. Beautiful. This candle has been this imbalance here. Hold the price to go higher. Let's see this price if it will close bullish. If it does, then we are on good side. Then let's see. This should close be a bullish candle. It doesn't, that's a big drop on our side. Price should seek this high here. Yeah, kind of bullish, but that's not good. This is not the bullish which I wanted. I wanted an expansion candle, right? Yeah, that's great. This should close above this mitigated gap. That will be a good sign. Thank you for this. Oh, that's not a good sign. But it should eventually close above this if you want to hit this liquidity right here. That kind of tells a story. That week. That week is not a good sign. That candle week is not a good sign. Yeah, that week is not a good sign. Means this didn't hold actually. That's bad. Now price, if it goes low, it will seek these equal lows right here. There's some liquidity up there, so price will seek those equal lows there. Again, here somebody saying to close at break even. Um, yeah, again, here some just saying close, man. The price is not moving. It's okay. Price should close this small imbalance like here. This small imbalance here need to be closed. Else we are on to a big trouble. Oh, 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Close that. Wow, man, that's a good sign. That that small imbalance might hold price to go low. That's to go to those equal lows. Let's see how this candle closes. Let's wait and see where price we might either take the, oh, beautiful. We have created our own new imbalance like here. Okay, this overlapping imbalance here, imbalance here, this is called a BPL. Let's see if this BPL will hold price to go higher. It's nice, kind of curious. This candle should close above this here. If it doesn't, we're in too big trouble. But from that, it's time for me to let this trade play out. Let's see how it plays out. Let's enjoy. I'll let the price action to play out so that I can have I guess some problem. I'll let my price action to play out so that I can have a review later. But absolutely we were good and on my side I'm good, I'm okay. We stopped out actually, that's okay. And let's see how this price plays out. But it has stopped me out. My bet or my anticipation is price will also ignore this level gap right here and go for this, and this might show a retracement, something like that. So let's see how price action plays out. See you next time. See you guys.